Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. It's that time of month again where we do our Glossybox unboxing, and we have received October's month. Now it is getting pretty chilly outside in the UK and winter is almost coming. That's how it feels right now. So let's go straight into the unboxing. So these are all the goodies we have received this month. As usual, we have the QR code to scan the latest copy of the magazine, and this is what the magazine looks like this month. As normal, you have the content, story behind the box, and then it goes on to list out all the products. So the magazine begins by stating, "Hey Glossies, we're excited to present our exclusive collection, Autumn Glow. As the pace of life slows and the crisp of air envelopes us, this curated selection of 5 carefully chosen products is designed to keep you radiant and celebrate the beauty of the season. In this digital magazine, you'll also find the essential tips for Halloween makeup and cozy autumnal scents, perfect for a night in. Love, Team Glossy." And then the story behind the box goes on to state, "Hello Autumn, as the cooler weather arrives, it's a perfect time to refresh your beauty routine, perfect your skin from drying air and create a warm autumnal glow. While embracing the Halloween spirit, think luxurious face balms and radiant serums to elevate your seasonal skincare. Your makeup bag will be filled with essentials that add warmth and glow to your look. Get ready to fall in love with your autumn beauty collection." The first product we have received is the Avena Face Calm and Restore Oat Rich Balm worth $14.99. This is the Avena Calm Plus Restore Oat Rich Balm, and if we give it a little open, it looks like this. So this gives 24-hour hydration. It's formulated with triple oat complex and ceramides, soothes and hydrates for 24 hours, and deeply moistures to help strengthen the skin's natural moisture barrier. And it's good for dry to very dry skin, and it says it's clinically proven to help 5 signs of dry skin, which is tightness, roughness, irritation, flakiness and scaling. It's unscented, dye-free and great for sensitive skin. So I have used the Avena body cream and I think it's absolutely great. It does really keep you moisturised. Let me just give it a little sniff to see if it smells the same. This doesn't have that much of a scent as the body cream does, but let's give it a little try here. Teeny tiny amount as usual, and give it a little rub. Yeah, it does have the slight scent, but it's not as strong. It's definitely a lot thicker than the body cream as well. So nice little face cream to go. Next we have the Bushwax Black Cloud headband, which is worth $8.99. So this is a Bushwax headband. It's in the colour black and it's quite thick and foamy here, as you can see. It's for that cloudy-like look. It's used to put your hair back and keep it out the way when you're at spas, cleansing your face or applying makeup on. So let's give it a little try. It looks a teeny tiny bit big for my head, but I'm sure it'll work when my hair's all down. If not, I can always gift it to someone, but it's a great little addition. Then we have the Bubble Tea Cosmetics Glow Body Serum, which is worth $12.99. So this is a glow body serum which you're supposed to use after having a shower or a bath, and it adds hydration to the skin. On here it says, shake before use, lightly apply to clean dry skin and wash hands after use. So this is supposed to give you a bit of illumination to your skin and add hydration, so let's give it a little shake and give it a try. Let's see how sparkly it looks. So it is like a drop applicator, so if I just do 1 drop here, or maybe 2 drops. The bottle is a plastic bottle, but it feels really plasticky. I was expecting it to be a bit more tougher than what it actually is, but that doesn't matter. Not sure if you can see all that glitter captured in here. It's very liquidy. I feel like it's quite a drippy formula, but it does give you a nice little glow because it's got little glitter sparkles in there. I mean, I don't know if the camera's picking up that glow. I feel like the camera's not picking up the glow as much as I can see in person, but it gives you a nice radiant glow. Then we have the Bang Beauty eyeliner, which is worth $15.83. So this is a waterproof eyeliner. It's supposed to use for precision, and it is a felt tip pen, which is great because you can actually get a precise line like so. And that's what it looks like. So in the magazine it does state that the eyeliner is waterproof, it's easy glide, no smudges, feathering or running, and I think marker like tip is beginner friendly, offering versatile looks. Finally we had a mystery product from an option of 5, these were the 5. We received the Percy and Reed Turn Up the Volume Volumising Dry Shampoo, which is worth £7.50. This is a dry shampoo. I've not actually used this brand before. It's from Percy and Reed, And on the back it says, refresh your style with this root boosting dry shampoo that leaves hair fresh, clean and volumized without any telltale sign. No chalky white residue, ultra fine cornflower powder absorbs excess oil, whilst fragrance free, eliminates odour from the hair that looks and smells freshly washed. It says it's a quick fix, cleanses without chalkiness, boosts root and volume and adds texture, and it's infused with fragrance. It also gives us instruction and it says shake well before you use, spray evenly through hair from 10 cm away, working into the root. Wait 30 seconds and brush through. Give it a little shake, and then I'm just going to spray it here. Oops. It does have quite a nice scent to it. I can't figure out what it is, so it feels a bit floral but again a bit herbally at the same time. But this is a great little addition because you can never have too much dry shampoo. So these were all the products I have received this month. I did receive my usual 5 products and I've done a quick sum and I get to a calculation of £60.30 is the value of my box this month, and they say usually it's £50 plus. So yes, it's been good value for money this month and I feel like we've got some really good products. I'm actually really looking forward to trying this body glow. I know it's autumn and my turtlenecks have come out, but I do look forward to see how this leaves the skin and how it looks. As usual, if you guys want any further reviews, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and if you have received a Glossybox or a Look Fantastic box or a Glamour box, just let me know what you guys have received and I look forward to hearing from you guys soon. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and show me some love in the comment section. Take care for now and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!